This is the new Model Y Juniper ambient lighting color RBG for your Tesla Model Y Juniper. And you can change this yourself. Takes less than a minute per light. Once you remove it with the pry tool, you just unplug and plug in this RBG light. You can change the color to any color you're lighting, over hundreds of color, and you can adjust it to sync with the music if you like. So again, by tapping it, you can change the color to your liking, whether it's green, red, pink, just matches what your ambient lighting color will be. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this product, link in the description of this video, and remember to use the discount code at checkout for additional saving. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.